We take a walk today from Asakusa to Ueno down Kappabashi Street. View of the sky tree from a bit away, and then this is the beginning of the can't remember the name of it now. The street here where it's all knives and kitchenware, which is a street where there are a huge number of shops selling everything for cooking, from knives and bowls to plastic food. You can spend less than 100 yen on a cheap pair of chopsticks, or up to 10,000 yen for a Japanese kitchen knife that you can then personalise and which will last you a lifetime. We were just commenting to each other how densely crowded we were around Asakusa, which is the tourist area, of course, round by the... And then we come just a little bit off to walk around the streets, and it's almost totally deserted everywhere else. You can walk quite comfortably in this city where you got the impression you were going to be bumped and pushed, but only if you're in a tourist actual spot. Next we had lunch near Ueno Station, where we had Kakiage Soba Noodles, which are hot soba noodles with a mixed vegetable tempura, which was very nice. So this is tempura vegetable something noodles. I can't quite remember what she said, but looks quite nice.
Break away a bit of vegetable.
Yeah, I don't quite know how you're meant to eat them.
And put it in here.
Do you?
Yeah, I think.
Then we went to the Shitamachi Museum, which is a museum in Ueno, located on the shores of Shinobazu Pond within Ueno Park. It is dedicated to the traditional culture of Tokyo's downtown district, which is called Shitamachi in Japanese. A relatively small museum with an entry fee of only 300 yen, but it is packed with such accurate and detailed recreations of historical streetscapes and living spaces that you might feel like you've travelled back in time. Something like Google Translate is handy here, as most signs are only in Japanese. They do have a brochure in English, and they advertise an English language tour, but this wasn't operating when we went there. At lunchtime on September 1923, Tokyo was devastated by a magnitude 7.9 earthquake, followed by huge fires that reduced nearly half of Japan's capital to blackened, rubble-filled, corpse-strewn wasteland of desolation. About 120,000 were killed and 2 million left homeless. Many died through the fires that started because people were cooking at the time.